Alright, I know I've been guilty about this for quite some time. You probably already noticed, but you remember my How to Draw a Quartzmon episode? You know, the one where I drew his actual full body. Well, for some reason it got removed. Well, not my responsibility. For some reason the music that I used, it was not shown in some countries. I was gonna do something about it. However, they removed it. I've been sending counter notifications to bring it back, but unfortunately, that didn't work out well. I'm still waiting for him to come back. Anyway, well, I think there's a way to bring back an episode that's been removed. Until then, I'm leaving this up. I just hope they bring it back. Anyway, like I mentioned before, quartzmon is the one of the main characters for Digimon Season 3. Quartzmon, he's the guy who created the digi-quartz in the first place. And, well, he's supposed to be a divine being, which he is. If I ever have a crossover show, I'm gonna have him as one of the main characters, and he'll soon become a good guy. Yeah, sounds a bit amazing, am I right? I have the thumbnail of his body design back on my page, and well, I'm gonna be drawing the full body design here and now, just to make sure this doesn't happen again. Anyway, the top half is the hub. Now I'm gonna be drawing the rest of his body design. Kind of reminds me of a Pokemon, huh? You know, because the upper half is supposed to be the bigger half than the rest of his body. Trust me, this guy is not related to a Pokemon in any other way besides that. Anyway, here's his leg. Anyway, now let's draw this part here. Here's his foot. As you can see, his body design is basically the size of a planet. Well, it's round as a planet. Anyway, back to what I'm doing here. Here's the other half of his ring. There's his lower half. There's his foot. There's only one last foot to draw, and that's this one. There we go. Now let's draw this part here. I did it! It's finished. I finished redrawing Quartzmon. There's just one spot here. Now he's perfect. Finally. My guilt is finally gone. I wanted to thank you guys for helping me get my confidence back up. Now all I have to do is show this to the entire planet and the rest of the universe. Be sure to subscribe and inform me on what new character you want me to draw next. And I'll take good care of I'll take full responsibility in what I draw. That's a promise. Stegosaurus, see you later, guys. Oh, hello. That's his new laugh.